guys, welcome to my kitchen. Another big exciting day in my kitchen. Where are we going? What are we making? We're gonna go to my mother's kitchen. When I was a little kid, my father loved candied orange peels. Loved them. And he liked to put little treats on it. And I'm gonna show you exactly what we did in Mom's kitchen, especially around the holidays. All right, what do you say? So let's go over ingredients. Let's start having some fun. First thing you're gonna need, 3 medium to 4 medium-sized oranges. You're going to need 2 cups of water because we're going to make a simple syrup with 1 cup and a half, maybe a little less of sugar because we're going to roll these in sugar when they're done. You're going to want a teaspoon of vanilla. You guys know, don't you love vanilla? It goes so good with the holidays. And also, you think it's going to taste good when you're a kid, and then you learn the meaning of sugar immediately when you taste that, right? We're going to do some other things. We're going to take some coconut, unsweetened, cooked flakes. They're good, right? What about some almonds? I'll show you what we're going to do there. We're going to make the simple syrup first. So 1 cup of sugar, and I'm going to hold back about 1/3, just under 1/3, because I put a little extra in there. We're going to use that to roll the orange peels in when they're done. So I end up with 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of water. You could go sweeter if you want, 1-to-1, but I like this. I think this comes out perfect. I'm going to put this on low heat, and we're going to get that sugar to dissolve. So we basically want it to look like thick water. Now you're going to take the oranges, you're going to take the top off, like teeny weeny bit, as little as you can take off. Take off a little on the top. Real quick, I took all the oranges and cleaned them really, really well because we're eating the orange peel, okay? And then I'm going to cut them just like that. And you usually going to go like 4/4 it. Don't worry if you go in the orange a little bit. Good. And then I'm going to do that. And I'm going to do that with all the oranges. And we're going to get crazy. I'm going to do one more. Now we want to take the orange peel off. A real simple way to either start it or finish it, you just take a spoon, that's what you want right there. You want as little of the white as possible, though we're going to cook most of that off, so no worries. And then just peel the orange. Now, guys, very important, we're going to take each orange peel, and remember, these are going to be our sticks. So if you think about it, like 1/4 inch, 1, 2, maybe 3 out of this. So just kind of get a ballpark of what you're looking to get. This is what we're looking for, something 1/4 inch, maybe a little bit thicker. And I always find keep the skin side down. So I'm going to go ahead and cut all these. What we want to do here is we want to cook these down. So we want to put them in a pot of boiling water. We're going to do it 2 times. You cook them down for a few reasons. One, you're going to cook the orange peel so it dries it out, if you will, changes the texture. Second reason you want to do is you want to cook the bitterness out. So even though you try to get the white off, the pith of the orange off, you're still going to get, a little bit of that bitterness. So we want to cook that off. So I've got some boiling water, 3-4 cups. It doesn't matter. And all I'm going to do is I already got that going. There's my simple syrup I've got cooking. I'm going to put a pinch of salt in the water. I'm going to take my little Makenzie Childs timer here, and I'm going to set it for 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and put the cover over it. I'm going to give my simple syrup a stir. Our goal here is to get all that sugar dissolved. One thing that makes this come out absolutely molto deleccio is when you subscribe to the channel. So make sure you hit that button down at the bottom, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and when you get a chance, certainly like our videos and share them to your friends. That way, we grow a community of other people who love having fun in the kitchen, cooking, playing some Frank Sinatra, Perry Como, Dean Martin, or whoever, and really spending time with their family. Been over just 5 minutes. I'm going to pull that off and see how they kind of curl up. That's exactly what I want. So I'm going to strain that, put water back in it. I'm going to repeat the process. Pinch of salt, give this a stir. Now that water's warm but not hot. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my orange peels in there. And why do you change the water? Because you don't want that bitterness in the water to stay there. So you're washing it out. You're washing the bitterness. So we'll cook these another 5 minutes. There you go. All right, so we've done our 2 blanches, if you will, with a really light salt water. And those are cooked down. So I'm going to rinse these off in the colander with some warm water. Can you get the aroma out of there? Oh my gosh. It's like Christmas in the kitchen here. Now, I'm taking my simple syrup, take the top off. I'm going to put the heat on medium. I'm going to take my little espresso cup. Isn't that cute? But it's actually vanilla. I'm going to put it in my sugar. That's one of those tricks my mother did. It gives you that depth of flavor, that next layer. And then I'm going to take my orange peel and put them in the simple syrup. Put them in there. Give it a stir. And now we get patient. What we're looking to do is we're going to cook this down in the vanilla simple syrup until it gets really, really thick and gooey. This is going to take about 20 minutes tops. Don't put a top on it because we want the moisture to work its way out. So we're essentially reducing this down. Now we're going to take sugary, sticky, gooey orange peels and we're going to put them on here. We don't want to do that. So I'm going to take some parchment paper about the size of that plate. What I'm going to do to make life really easy for us is I'm going to take the parchment. I'm going to take a, hey, how you doing? A little olive oil. Just take a little olive oil, just light, not to flavor it. Just spread that over the parchment. And you could do butter if you want. It's good for your skin, so don't worry about it. It'll give it a nice, beautiful, slippery layer. Nothing will stick to it. And then when they come out, we're going to set everything on top. Been 30 minutes, and that's exactly what I want. So you're going to see the orange peel gets a little bit translucent, and you see how it starts to get really foamy, and everything's nice and thick, and that's beautiful. So now I'm going to shut the heat off, and I'm going to let that cool for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then we're going to do some magic. Guys, it's absolutely perfect. Pull them off. Takes a minute or so, and we want them to just cool down a little bit. I'm going to let that set for about 10 or 15 minutes. Now I'm going to take that 1/3 cup of sugar. I'm going to pop that in my bin, and now that these have cooled down a little bit, they're still, all I want them to do is sticky, right? I want to pop a few of them in there, a little sugar on them. You just take them, put them on your tray. Is that beautiful, guys, or what? But they're not done. We're going to have a little bit more fun. We want to melt our chocolate, so I've got a little bit of a double boiler, kind of. This will be quick. Make sure all your chocolate's melted. Perfect. I'm going to keep it in the hot water. Keep it warm. This is our assembly line. Take the orange, which is starting to firm up now. I'm going to dip half in chocolate and then stick it in a few sliced almonds. I'm going to take my orange peel. I'm going to put it in some coconut. And then I'm going to stick a regular one right there. How beautiful are these guys? So we've got almonds, coconut, and some orange slivers. My dad would be eating these up. These would not have lasted this long if my dad was still here. And I've got a little shot of espresso right there. Man, that's a great way to start your day. That's a great way to end your day. You know it. Favorite time, taste time. I love almonds. I love chocolate. Isn't that gorgeous right there? And I love orange. It's going to be delicious. Oh yeah, this is for you, Dad, right here. It's so good. The almonds, absolutely awesome. The orange, so intense. And then the chocolate, it doesn't overpower it. It enhances it as you're eating it. Well, that's Christmas in your mouth. There's no doubt about that. And Thanksgiving. And I think a little bit of New Year's. Let's try this. See, that just, man, if that isn't the Italiana, like if you don't have the Italiana going right now, how you doing? Hey, I can remember my dad fighting for these when we were kids. What a fun, easy, delicious recipe, guys. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen, going down memory lane, talking about my dad, having some candied orange peels. Man, they are good. Chocolate, almond, coconut. Are you kidding me? Is that awesome or what, guys? Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, notification bell. Like it, share it. Remember, guys, one of the big reasons we do these videos is whatever you're cooking, doesn't matter. Whatever your ethnicity is, you get to celebrate that type of food, your culture in the kitchen with your family. But most important, guys, you're going to set traditions of love with your family. They're going to last for a lifetime. I know they did for me. Hey, guys, from my kitchen years, until next week, mwah, buon appetito.